What's going on, YouTube? We back, another video. Right now we actually on our way to the paint shop. Get y'all first check-in with my paint man on the car. Man, he gave me some news yesterday, so I'm gonna go up here and check it out, see what he's talking about. He said, man, this thing's a little worse than what we thought, so definitely gonna go check it out and see what we can do. I know he was saying like the trunk was in pretty bad shape, so we got to get the trunk looked at. He said he can fix it. He's like, man, I just don't want to put a lot of time into it just to, you know, like he said, fixing it. He said, honestly, he said, fixing that trunk, getting it where I would be acceptable for me. He's like, that's a week and a half body working it, just going through it based on the fact of how bad it looks. So we're going to look at the top. He said, we ain't got no choice but to, you know, skin the top. So we're going to do that. He sent me some clips. I may stick them in the video for y'all to show y'all, man. My man is really a real paint guy. I didn't realize he was that talented at what he does. So it shocked me with some of the stuff you're showing me. I thought he was going to, you know, just go ahead and fill up some of the hill with some filler and move on. But now he actually putting the clicos in, pulling the dents back up, trying to make them as smooth as possible. So bro is really good at what he does, man. If y'all in the OKC area, man, y'all need to get at Steve Ellis, man, at Ellis Paint and Body. Bro is phenomenal, man. Good dude, solid dude. And the crazy part about it, I've known him for years and didn't even know he painted cars. So it's crazy to find out, you know, if you really just open your ears to everything around you and actually get out and actually be more, I don't know how my wife says, because, you know, my wife's a social butterfly. Being a real estate agent, she'll talk to anybody. But I'm learning now more to be more social. And it's actually making it easier for me to get into this car culture stuff more, where I'm not worried about getting ripped off by people. So, and giving me honest prices, real timelines, real dates and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna get over here, get y'all some of this footage, chop it up with him for a minute, and kind of let y'all see what's going on with the car. So right now I'm focused on the highway, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get over there to the car and let y'all see it. The cutlass coming. Man, Steve ain't bullshitting. Y'all see what we got going. He's blocking the door out. Got the door straight. Promise y'all, man. Y'all don't know. Y'all better get with my man Steve. Steve is and he's self-taught too, which is crazy. He was telling me he's self-taught with this, so y'all figure it out. Y'all see it. We just left the paint shop. So he just now really getting into it, getting that sand and blocking done on it. So he, like you said, he mudded a little bit up. I got another, like I said, I think I'm gonna put that clip in where y'all can see where he stuck the plicos in and went ahead and pulled the dents out of the roof. He said he's gonna work on the big ones on the trunk. best he can. So we definitely gonna make that work out. And it's coming along. Like he said, he gonna have probably another week and a half in body work, he was saying, because just trying to get it laser straight, you know what I mean? And he got other projects in there to work on too. So he's like, he got 3 cars he gonna have to get finished probably by the end of this month, early next month, because he moving locations because he getting too busy. He need a bigger spot. So that ought to tell y'all something. So if y'all need anything, again, y'all holler at Steve Ellis. He definitely will get y'all took care of. He's Steve Ellis on Facebook, Ellis Paint Body, man. He stand-up dude, man. He know what he doing, self-taught, everything. So I showed y'all the work. Y'all seen how bad my door was. Got that thing straight using the plecos, just, you know, and the hammer and dolly, getting it back straight. And we talked about it, man. I had to kind of cut y'all off and give y'all kind of just like no sound in a couple of my clips because, you know, he had that copyright going. So I don't want to tell man what to do in his own business, but we definitely talked about some stuff, man. And he was like, that cutlass is real clean. He said it's pretty much everything he's been working on. It's just rust free. There ain't no rust in it. Solid, you know, solid floor, solid trunk, solid quarters, solid everything. He was like, it ain't no rust. So everything with the cutlass is done so far. We're just gonna get, I can't wait for y'all to see this color, man. I'm gonna probably go back up there. He said give him a he gonna finish taking the trim off the doors and stuff so I can go actually get that and take it to our PDR guy. He said he gonna try to PDR all that and get it as flat as possible, and then we're gonna hit it with some chrome wrap to where it's not just that aluminum look, it'll be chrome. So anyway, that's next. But once he get the jams, he said once he jam it for me, I'm gonna come back up there and we're gonna look at it and see what it's looking like in them jams. That'll give y'all an idea of the color that's gonna be on there. And y'all let me know when y'all see this color that I chose, y'all gonna be like, bro, this is pretty crazy. So anyway, man, it's another quick little short video for y'all, showing y'all something that we're doing with the cutlass. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. We're gonna see y'all in the next video.